Today in this video we'll talk about long run cost curves. Long run costs are accumulated when firms change production levels over time in response to expected economic profits or losses. The land, labor, capital goods and entrepreneurship all vary to reach the long run cost of producing a good or service. First, we have plotted a graph between cost and output to see relationship between short-run average cost curve and long-run average cost curve. Short-run average cost curve corresponds to a particular plant size. Here, in the graph, we can see that till OM1, the level of output, it's logical for a firm to operate at plant size SAC2. If the firm operates at SAC2 when producing an output level of OM2, the cost would be more. So in the long run, the firm will produce till OM1 on SAC2. However, till an output level represented by OM3, the firm can produce at SAC2, after which it's profitable to produce at SAC3 if the firm wishes to minimize cost. The long run average cost curve first falls and then beyond a certain point it starts to rise. It is a U-shaped curve. Through the U shape of the long run average curve is less pronounced than that of the short run average cost curve. It's U-shaped because of returns to scale. The upward sloping portion of a long run average cost curve illustrates diseconomics to scale, and the downward slope shows increasing returns to scale. Now, next graph is between cost and output, showing long run marginal cost curve and long run average cost curve. Long run marginal cost curve shows for each unit of output the added total cost incurred in the long run. Long run marginal cost curve is determined from the long run average cost curve. Long run marginal cost is given by change in long run total cost to change in output. Now, next is a graph showing relationship between long run marginal cost, short run marginal cost, short run average cost and long run average cost. Long run marginal cost curve is derived by the points of tangency between long run average cost curve and short run average cost curve. Note an important relation between long run marginal cost and short run average cost. When long run marginal cost lies below long run average cost, long run average cost is falling, while when long run marginal cost is above long run average cost is rising. Now, the next graph shows when long run average cost is equal to long run marginal cost. At this point, when long run marginal cost is equal to long run average cost, then long run average cost is constant and minimum, and the graph of short run marginal cost and short run average cost will be shown like this. I hope that you understand the long run cost curves. Thank you.